Greetings. Thank you for considering Cheshire floor sanding for your flooring needs. Our team specializes in wood floor sanding and restoration using commercial sanding machines. This process involves repairing imperfections, achieving a smooth and even finish, and protecting the surface with durable lacquer or oil for long-lasting quality and durability. We are eager to assist you and appreciate your interest. If you're looking to extend the life of your wood floor, sanding is a great option. Over time, foot traffic, spills, and general wear and tear can take a toll on the surface. Sanding can help eliminate imperfections and level out the surface, effectively restoring it. To ensure long-lasting protection, we will then finish the floor with durable products. This will help safeguard it for years to come. Restoring the wooden floor of your home to its original appearance can have a positive impact on your health. Dust, dirt, and other allergens can accumulate on the surface of your floor over time, compromising the air quality in your living space. Sanding the floor can effectively eliminate these particles, reducing the likelihood of respiratory problems and allergies. To sum it up, restoring your wooden floor can provide various advantages, including enhancing its aesthetic appeal, strength, and general well-being. Whether you are restoring your wooden floor due to any of these reasons or simply because it looks worn out and old-fashioned, feel free to get in touch with us for a free evaluation and estimate via the link given. I would like to explain the project assessment process and the different choices available to you. Once you have completed the quote inquiry form provided in the link, our team will contact you to arrange either a video call or a site visit to discuss the project in further detail. It is important to note that it would be unprofessional and inaccurate to provide a quote over email or based solely on pictures and measurements without seeing the actual floor. Some companies may do this and deal with any unforeseen issues when they arrive on site, but this is not the most effective way to ensure a smooth, timely, and hassle-free professional restoration. We will assess your wooden flooring thoroughly before performing any repairs or sanding, to determine the best techniques to use. Furthermore, we will suggest finishing products that cater to your unique requirements and desired finishing. By adhering to our professional guidance, you can guarantee that your flooring will remain safeguarded for an extended period. In order to achieve a perfectly smooth and flawless surface on wood, we utilize a sanding process that involves removing any previous finishes, scratches, dents, or stains that are able to be eliminated. Our sanding tools are commercial-grade machines and ensure a 99% dust-free and efficient process. If you wish to alter the color of your wood flooring, staining is an optional process that we offer. We can apply a stain that matches your desired shade and even provide you with a test patch to ensure your satisfaction. Additionally, we can show you a vast library of example before and after photos from past projects to inspire you. After the sanding and staining process, our team at Cheshire Floor Sanding will apply a protective sealant to shield your wooden flooring from moisture, dirt, and wear. We offer a variety of sealant options, including water-based, oil-based, and polyurethane finishes, and we can advise you on the benefits of each in your quote. In the final phase, we apply a finish to give your wood flooring a glossy, matte, or satin appearance. Our finishing options include natural oils, wax, and lacquers. Our team at Cheshire Floor Sanding provides a meticulous wood floor sanding and restoration process that includes a thorough evaluation, repairs, sanding, staining, if desired, and sealing. The end result is a stunning and long-lasting wooden floor that you will enjoy for years to come. To get started, we kindly invite you to click the link below for a free quote assessment. Thank you for considering our services, and we look forward to helping you bring your floors back to life.